Hi, I'm John O'Monday, Applications Engineering Manager at Renishaw. Today I will explain what additive manufacturing is and the benefits you can achieve from this technology. The term additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, refers to a process of creating a three-dimensional object from a digital file. It is called additive because it generally involves building up thin layers of material one by one. The technology can produce complex shapes that are not possible with traditional casting and machining methods or subtractive techniques. Renishaw's metal laser powder bed fusion is an additive manufacturing technology that uses high-powered fibre lasers to fuse fine metallic powders together, creating functional three-dimensional parts. The process is digitally driven, direct from sliced 3D CAD data. For each slice of CAD data, a thin, even layer of fine metal powder is deposited across the build plate. Then the selected areas of the powder are precisely melted by the lasers. This process is repeated, building up layer by layer until the build is complete. Many different metals and metal alloys are used in additive manufacturing. Renishaw's additive manufacturing systems can build in a range of metals, including titanium alloys, cobalt chromium, stainless steels, nickel alloys and aluminium alloys. In addition to our range of standard materials, we allow all our users to access a suite of development tools within Quantum, empowering them to exploit the open architecture of Renishaw AM systems to develop their own materials process parameters. Using additive manufacturing in your production can provide key benefits, including a reduction in tooling costs, ability to produce complex geometries, more design freedom, rapid design iterations and lead times, reduction in weight and material use, and multiple part consolidation. Deciding if AM has a part to play in your business requires a thorough evaluation of your products, supply chains, operational capability and business needs. To explore the possibilities with advanced additive manufacturing, visit the AM guide to find out more about Renishaw additive manufacturing solutions.